Vaquero, a sculpture by the late Mexican-American artist Luis Jiménez, was unveiled in 1990 and was one of the first pieces of public art installed at the airport. At the time, airport leaders touted the effort as symbolizing the community's commitment to expanding entertainment in Las Vegas to include more arts and humanities. The sculpture pays tribute to Las Vegas's Old West roots while connecting the cowboy, a classic symbol of America, to its Mexican origins. It's constructed of fiberglass, a material the artist used frequently. Jiménez was known for his reinterpretations of images associated with the American West and Mexican-American culture. According to the Smithsonian American Art Museum, which is home to its own version of Vaquero, Jiménez began making monumental sculptures in the midst of the Latino civil rights movement, dedicating himself to contemporary subjects that represented a racially diverse and working-class America. Vaquero, which means cowboy in Spanish, is one of his most celebrated works. The horse and rider greeting travelers at McCarran isn't the only Jiménez work at a U.S. airport. Mustang greets travelers at Denver International Airport. Like Vaquero, Mustang is made of brightly colored, glossy fiberglass. The sculpture is most well known for its luminous red eyes deeply set into the head of the horse. For more information about Vaquero and other art at the airport, visit mccarran.com/art.